so hard to understand. So if I say yes, maybe it looks like a no, and if I say no, it can actually have a positive meaning. So it's very hard to understand external activities of a Vaishnava. How different Vaishnavas behave and why, it's very hard to understand. Like now, you have heard about Srila Trivikram Goswami Maharaj. Externally, it seemed like he was something against Srimati Radhika. And he wanted to establish Krishna. You understand here? Ete Chamsa Kalapunsa Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam. Trivikram Goswami Maharaj, he always used to speak about this verse. And Srila Gurudeva, Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj, he used to say that the subject established in the Srimad Bhagavatam is established in Janmadasa Jataha. First verse of the Bhagavatam. This verse actually is describing the glories of Srimati Radhika, the first verse of the Bhagavatam. So Gurudev used to say the following. Actually, the Bhagavatam describes about Srimati Radhika and her glories. In the beginning, in the middle, and the end. Everywhere is the name of Srimati Radhika in the Srimad Bhagavatam. In every verse, in every syllable of the Bhagavatam is only the glories of Srimati Radhika. Srila Gurudev used to say, Srimad Bhagavatam is a Radha Par Grantha. Paratantra Grantha means a book describing Srimati Radhika's glories. Those who are very knowledgeable, they have entered the ras mellows of the scriptures, so they are able to understand. Because Srila Bhaktipad, on this verse, Janmadasa Jataha, first verse of the Bhagavatam, Vishwanath Chakravarti explained many meanings. Krishna cannot exist without Srimati Radhika. So Srimati Radhika is all glorious, and her glory is everywhere. Example, if there's no life air in your body, what? If there's no life air in your body, and even if you ornament your body with many ornaments, what is the value of a dead body? Any value in a dead body? So in the same way, Srimati Radharani is like the soul of Krishna. Who is the soul of Krishna? Srimati Radhika. So in the same way, Krishna is Bhagavan, yes. And Srimati Radhika is his Pran Swarup, his life and soul. Who actually controls Krishna? Srimati Radhika. In Brajabhasa, language of Braj, they say, if Krishna is compared to the Seth, to the boss, or to the owner, Srimati Radhika is compared to Sethani, the wife of the boss, the wife of the owner. So in the language of Braj, they call Seth and Sethani, means the boss or the owner and the rich person and the wife of that person. If Krishna is Seth, he's like... and if Krishna is like Seth, Srimati Radhika is Swasit. Swa means 1.25. Means if Krishna is 1, Srimati Radhika is 1.25. If Krishna is very rich and very important, Srimati Radhika is a bit more than him. She's 1.25. Swa means this. Swasit. So Krishna is called Seth, like the owner, the boss. He's the man, you know? He's the owner of everything. But Radharani is Sethani. Actually, everyone follows the order of the Sethani, the wife of the boss. The Seth means the boss, the rich man, the owner. He'll do the hard work, but he'll give all his money, put in the treasure in the treasure chest, and the wife he'll give to his wife. So who has the key? The key to the treasure chest, the money of the Seth is Sethani. Who is the Sethani of Braj? Srimati Radhika. So in Braj, everyone says loudly,
बोलते हैं?
No one says Krishna, Krishna in Braj.
सब क्या बोलते हैं?
Everyone says Radhe, Radhe.
या तो क्या बोलते हैं? राधा मेरी स्वामिनी, मैं राधिन को दास, जन्म जन्म मोहि दियो वृंदावन को पास। इसे स्पष्ट रूप में
So this verse explains clearly, like, if we stay in that person's house, you have to glorify the owner of that house, right? Otherwise, you're called ungrateful. Namakaram, they have even this word in Hindi. Like if you're eating the salt of that person, means you're eating from, you're being nurtured by that person. How can you not glorify that person? So who's the owner and like who rules over Braj? It's Shrimati Radhika, she's the Sartani. So we have to glorify her. This is according to Rasa Tattva Vichar. Prabhupada Saraswati Prabhupada told.
Radha Padanga Virasitam Madhurastali ke Radha Jasomukam Bhaktam Khadavali ke Radha Bihara Dibinam Mano me Ramatantai. Prabhupada Saraswati Pada
in the Radha Rasudani, he described this beautiful explanation. Radha Karabachita Pallava Vallari means that in Vrindavan, these creepers are touched by Shrimati Radhika's lotus hands. These trees and creepers, they were actually maintained, they grew, being nourished by Shrimati Radhika herself. First line, second line. Radha Padanka Vilasita. Wherever you go in Vrindavan, everywhere you will see what? The footprints of Shrimati Radhika. Because whose kingdom is Vrindavan? Like she's it's like monopoly of Shrimati Radhika. She rules everywhere. So the Panchakoshi Parikrama is called Antargriha Parikrama. Only this small Vrindavan Parikrama here. So if you do this, there's one place called Atal Chunka. There's a deity called Atal Bihari. Have you had this darshan? Next to that, some Dauji is Atal Bihari Thakurji. It's also called Gore Dauji. Who is he? They call Gore Dauji, the Thakurji name. Actually, by seeing the beautiful form of Krishna, of Radharani, Krishna, he became like petrified. He couldn't move, inert. So the name of the day is Atal Bihari. Here in the Parikrama Marga in Vrindavan. Wherever you go in Vrindavan, even the peacock, peahen, all the birds, cuckoo birds, all the birds, they are chanting which name? So the cuckoo bird is singing Radhe Radhe. No one is saying Krishna Krishna. The cuckoo bird of Vrindavana, he says Radhe Radhe. Even the Panditas are also saying Radhe Radhe Radhe. Vrindavan is a very sweet place. Is the sporting pastimes of Shrimati Radhika, Vrindavan. May my mind always roam in these places. Which place? Vishnu Chakravarti Pada says, may my mind always stay where? In that place where Shrimati Radhika rules over. That place which is completely dominated by Shrimati Radhika. I want to stay in that place only. Which place is that? Because there are so many places in Vrindavan. Vrindavan is such a big place. I won't go to Sakistari because Sakistari, if you go there, Shrimati Radhika won't give you mercy. Sakistari means the place of Chandravali.
ब्रजवासी ब्राह्मण ब्रजवासी
There was a Brahmana Vrajavasi.
बड़ा जो है एक
This Vrajavasi brought a big,
पत्ता जो होता है उसमें
like a leaf
हाँ,
cup,
लेकर के आए
like a leaf cup.
रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी बोले
And Raghunath Das
आपको
Goswami
हमारे
asked,
छोटे दोना से भरपूर
every day you bring me some buttermilk in a small donor, a small like cup, leaf cup. But today you brought a big cup.
सखी स्थली में चला
Where did you get this? And then the person said, today I went to Sakistali and then I got this big
सखी स्थली के नाम
leaf cup.
सुनते ही
Just by hearing the name Sakistali, Raghunath Das Goswami raised the
वो ब्रजवास को मारने के लिए दो
stick and started running away with the Vrajavasi, after the Vrajavasi to beat him. So this is the Nishtha of Raghunath Das Goswami.
राधा जी के प्रति इतने प्रगाढ़ निष्ठा
So much Nishtha in Srimati Radhika.
छोड़ करके जो और दूसरी स्थान में चले जाते हैं
If someone gives up Srimati Radhika and goes somewhere else, I don't keep any relationship with that person.
राधा आदिपत्य वृंदावन भाषण नमस्तु में
Radha
राधा
Adipattam
की
Vrindavanam
प्रिय
Mamas.
स्थान कौन सा है बोले राधा कुंड
And what is the dearest place of Srimati Radhika? And most important Vrindavana is Radha Kunda.
कहीं जाना नहीं
I don't want to go anywhere else besides the Radha Kunda.
रघुनाथ के रूप गोस्वामी
That's why Rupa Goswami Pan describes in the Padishamrita,
तत्रापि रासुर सभा वृंदारण्य मदरापणि तत्रापि गोवर्धन इसलिए उससे भी गोवर्धन से भी श्रेष्ठ कौन सा है
what is higher than Govardhan is Radha Kunda.
क्यों
Why?
राधा कुंड ऐसे एक दिव्य
Radha Kunda is such a divine transcendental place, Radha Kunda, where
चंद्रावली छोड़ दी
Chandravali cannot go there.
जटिला कुटिला भी
What speak of Chandravali? Even Jatili and Kutila cannot enter there.
भांडी बोल पर चल
Example, in Bandir Bhat, Chandravali can go to Bandir Bhat.
जटिला कुटी भी पहुंच जाती है
Jatili and Kutila also.
ये कि चंद्र सरोवर तक भी पहुंच
Even
जाती
to Chandra Sarovar they can
है
go.
सूर्य कुंड तक भी पहुंच
Even to Surja Kunda. But to Radha Kunda, Radha Kunda is such a divine and transcendental place.
राधा जी की
Only the group of Srimati Radhika can
जा सकते
go there.
जो मैं उस स्थान को ऐसे करके
Jogamaya
रखे
protects that place so much.
इसलिए सर्वोत्तम स्थान कौन सा है
So what is the topmost place?
राधा कुंड
Radha Kunda.
वृंदा विक्रम सुरम्योपि तस्य मानश्री गोवर्धन वृंदावन की शोभा क्या है
What is the beauty of Vrindavan? Giriraj Govardhan.
और गिरिराज गोवर्धन से सर्वश्रेष्ठ स्थान कौन सा है
Topmost place of Govardhan is Radha
बोले
Kunda.
राधा कुंड की एक धूल का नहीं
Even a particle of dust of Radha Kunda
सारे अनंत करोड़
of Radha Kunda
तीर्थ स्थल है
has all,
एक तराजू में
if you
रख
put
दिया।
like example all the billions of tirthas, pilgrimage places,
तराजू में रख दिया।
in one side of the scale, in the other side of the scale, only one particle of dust of the Radha Kunda.
वो धूल का ना
Still, this particle of dust of Radha Kunda is
दूर से ताली दो।
applause please, is more and more heavy, means so much higher than all the billions of pilgrimage places together. So applause for Radha Kunda. So Radha Kunda is so important, so high.
ये वृंदावन धाम है कोई
So
कहता
what
है
I'm saying, we're in Vrindavana Dham. Some people say, why do you sing always Radhe Radhe? Some people say,
बोले जिसके जिस पर जहाँ पर रहे उसको
because we're
बताना
staying
पड़ेगा।
here, so we have to tell the name of the person who owns this
स्वयं
area.
कृष्ण कहते हैं मेरे
Krishna
नाम
himself
को
says,
बताता-
those who
मेरे नाम
chant
का
my
जो
name
लिखा है,
first,
मृत्यु के बाद उनको नरक में
after the
जाना
death,
पड़ता
they have to go to
है।
hell.
जो मरे,
But if
आदमी
someone
से जिसमें
sings the
राधा
name
का
of my
नाम
Radhini Shakti,
वो
Radharani,
दिव्य अलौकिक
after
और
death, the person will go to the
गोलोक वृंदावन धाम
spiritual
को
world,
प्राप्त
Goloka
करें।
Vrindavan.
वृंदावन बिहारी लाल। है? इतना जो राधा जी के प्रति इतने निष्ठा है।
so much nishtha towards Srimati Radhika. Krishna himself says,
ये वृंदावन ऐसे एक दिव्य स्थान
Vrindavan is a divine
हम
transcendental
इसके
place.
बारे में
Why I'm saying this?
कभी-कभी त्रिविक्रम गोस्वामी
Sometimes Shri Trivikram
और
Goswami
श्री
Maharaj
गुरुदेव
and Shri Narayana Goswami Maharaj, Shri
ये
Gurudev,
प्रेम कला है
there's like it's a loving quarrel.
दिखाते क्या है
It looked like
वो गुरुदेव के मुखार होता है नारायण ऋषि महाराज के मुखार वृंद से
actually from the lotus mouth of Shri Narayana Goswami Maharaj.
राधा जी की
Trivikram Goswami Maharaj wanted to hear the glories of
जोर से ताली बजाओ।
applause, please, applause.
आपको मैं ये कथा सुनाता हूँ देखो बंगाल में
Repeating. So Srila Trivikrama Goswami Maharaj wanted to hear Shri Narayana Goswami Maharaj glorify Srimati Radhika with his mouth. So that's why he used to do this, to hear the glorification of Srimati Radhika
देखो
from
उससे
Narayana
क्या
Maharaj
करते हैं?
mouth.
कोई बंगाली है ना, उसको पता है।
Examples. Those some Bengalis maybe know there's a kind of tree in Bengal.
उससे रोशनी
Every
निकालने
day,
के लिए क्या करना पड़ता है?
This tree you have to
छिलना पड़ता है
like make some cuts so for the sap to come out of the tree.
हर रोज
Every day
और
you
उसे
have
थोड़ी सी जो
to
है
cut a little bit
आधे से आधा इंची
on the
उसे छिल देते हैं
like a few you have to like peel a little bit of the bark And then the whole night that sap is like dripping, tap, 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 coming from the bark of the tree. And then you put like some clay pot, and then the sap covers, full the clay pot. And then after you put in that sap in the fire, and you boil, and then some very special like substance comes. I think it's good, he mentioned. So anyway, it's a kind of sugar. Anyway, so the same way, the Vaishnavas, you have to do. So in Bengal they say kocha lagao. It's like poking to make that thing come out. So Srila Tripurama Goswami Maharaj, he wanted to hear this Rasa Mahima Katha. So he wanted the glories of Srimati Radha to be even more spread and preached in this world. That's why sometimes he used to do these things with Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj. Hearing that, Srila Gurudeva, Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj, then he used to manifest all the Rasa Tattva and speak all the Rasa Tattva Katha. Otherwise, the Vaishnavas wouldn't speak this wealth, because the Vaishnavas generally they keep hidden their wealth in their heart. They're like someone who is rich. The rich person doesn't show his money to everyone. In the Prema Sampada book, this is described. So you keep your wealth hidden. So in the same way, in Gurudev's heart, there's so many wealth of prem, jewels of prem. So to hear about all that, Srila Tripurama Maharaj used to do these things. So Gurudev used to say, when you used to meet Gurudev alone, Gurudev used to say, he said, you should never ever criticize Srila Tripurama Goswami Maharaj. You should have any kind of like a mood against him or something like that. Oh, he does like this, he shouldn't do that, like this kind of thing. Gurudeva said, no. Tripurama Goswami Maharaj is an Uttam Mahabhagavat. So the external behavior of Uttam Mahabhagavat is not understood by normal people. Vaishnava Kriya Muda begin na Bujai. Even intelligent people cannot understand the behavior of the Vaishnavas. So the Tripurama Maharaj had a transcendental life history. How he used to serve, wow. Actually, he wouldn't keep any servants. Yesterday, we had the darshan of Radha Madhava. There was a servant of Radha Madhava, of Tripurama Maharaj. His name was Vrindavan. The pujari of Radha Madhava yesterday in Jaipur was servants in the past used to serve Tripurama Goswami Maharaj. His name was Vrindavana Prabhu. No, they said, so were you the servant of Srila Tripurama Maharaj? He said, no, I was not the servant, I was the buck. Sevak, if you take the say out of your buck, like a crane. He means like humbly, like, actually I could have never served properly. He had so much money. Puri Maharaj, his name was Haridas. So the Tripurama Maharaj used to insult him so much, calling names. Like so many servants came and tried to serve him, but they couldn't stay even for 2 days. Tripurama Maharaj, he used to chastise like very, very strong. If you did little bit fault in your servants, he would already slap you, hit you. Externally, he was very harsh. I told yesterday, Tripurama Maharaj, he used to know and do everything from A to Z. A to Z. He could do everything. In Bengal, they have a proverb. It's like, he could make shoes and even read the scriptures, like A to Z. In the Chunchura temple, they had like maybe 10, 12 big cows. Maharaj would wake up at 3 a.m. and take care of the cows. Take the cow dung even, milk the cows, bathe the cows with his own hands. Even to serve the deity, Archana, also he himself would do. To cook, also he himself. Even ornament the deity. Like he used to stitch Thakurji's clothes himself. So another thing. One time when Bandara was going on, feast, many people came to take prasad for the feast. Tripurama Goswami Maharaj, like give some tiffin prasad to someone, some takeaway. And then someone else said, Maharaj, you gave prasad to him like a takeaway, why not for me? Tripurama Maharaj said like this. His language was like very strong. He said,
वो
look,
लोग वो पैसा दिया
because he gave money, donation, that's why you offer all this food to the deity.
तुमको दे दे, तुमको दीदी मैं ऐसे बात नहीं
If I also use,
तुमको मैं क्या दूं?
why would I give something to
भाई
you?
वो सेवा करते हैं
He serves, like he gave donation a lot. So that's why I have to give him,
कोई बात नहीं भाई,
prashad.
आप साधु है सबके प्रति समान
But your sadhu should be equal to
अरे
everyone.
समान कैसे हो जाएगा?
How can I be equal?
आपके 5 उंगली समान
You
है
have
क्या?
5 fingers. Your 5 fingers are same or not? No.
जो सेवा करते हैं
Those who serve,
ध्यान देना
I have to give some attention to
तब
them.
तो वो देंगे पैसा।
Then they will give the
तब वो
money,
साधु की सेवा तो करेंगे।
and we can serve the deity with the money they give.
सबको प्रसाद दिया जाएगा। इसलिए बिल्कुल वो उन्होंने ऐसे से रूल शब्द बोले थे।
So he used to be very straight and like harsh. I sometimes cannot say like this, like he used to say. But he used to say like this, use this kind of language. Can't even imagine how he used to like just address people like that. Yeah, I have to give the takeaway prasad to him. Yes, of course.
और त्रिविक्रम गोस्वामी महाराज कोई डरते नहीं सच बोलते थे।
And he would not be afraid. He would speak directly the truth. He used to read the
उनके
Bhagavatam.
पाठ में यही आते थे।
And in his class, he used to come to this verse. Atashi Krishna Namadi.
बस इतना ही तब रहेगा।
He would stop there. Like material tongue cannot chant the holy names. This verse says.
उच्चारण कैसे करें? बोले, भगवान के नाम क्या है? अपराकित
The holy names of
है,
Bhagavan are transcendental or material?
अपराकित है।
Transcendental.
तो भगवान के नाम अपराकित है।
The holy names of Bhagavan is transcendental. In your tongue, material.
तो भगवान के नाम कैसे उच्चारण?
How can you then speak the holy names? How can you pronounce holy names? Your material senses cannot touch holy names.
ये सब पे प्रश्न करते हैं। बलदेव रूप गोस्वामी
He used to say this. Oh, but Rupa Goswami wrote in this verse. Natashi Krishna Namadi. Seva mukhi hijado. Swayameva swarati adha.
सेवा की वृत्ति जब कभी
When you have the desire to serve Seva Mukha Vritti,
स्वयं प्रभु कृष्ण के नाम भगवान के नाम अपने
then the holy
जीवन में
names will dance on your tongue,
प्रकटित होगा।
manifest in your tongue.
नाम की प्रणाली उन्हें नाम
This is the method of chanting the holy names.
बड़े नाम का उच्चारण जब तुम तुम्हारी सेवा
So
वृत्ति है
you only be able to really chant when you have desire to serve.
सेवा नहीं करे
If you're
तो
not
सेवा कैसे
serving,
मिलेगा?
how you gonna get the results? You
इस
have to
सेवा
serve.
करते करते सुकृति बनी
By serving, you accumulate
और
sukriti,
सुकृति के पास
and by the fruit of the sukriti, you're gonna get
हमें रुचि।
taste in the hear harikatha from the sadhus.
बस थोड़ी सुनेंगे।
Not everyone is gonna hear harikatha from the saints, from the sadhus. If you don't have sukriti,
भगवान का श्रवण करने का।
you won't be able to hear harikatha.
भक्त संगेन परिजायते सत्संग प्राप्ते पुरुषी सुकृति पूर्व संचितई एक नहीं अनेक जन्म के सुकृति
Not one. But when the sukriti from many lives is accumulated,
आज
understand?
तब क्या होता है?
Then what happens?
तब भगवत भक्त की संग करने की इच्छा
Then you have the desire to associate with the pure devotee.
संग से व्यक्ति
And associating with the pure devotee, then you can hear harikatha.
भक्ति स्तुभवत भक्त संगेन परिजायते सत्संग प्राप्ते पुरुषी सुकृति पूर्व संचितई एक जन्म नहीं अनेक
Not one life, many lives sukriti. How is this sukriti coming? By the service attitude, serving the devotee.
सेवा नहीं करो तो कैसे मिलेगा?
If you don't serve, how are you going to get anything?
सेवा करना
You must serve.
इसलिए सब लोग कैसे करो?
So
सेवा में लगो।
you should engage everyone in service. Srila Trivikram Goswami Maharaj used to engage everyone in
सेवा
service.
करो।
Serve.
हैं, झाड़ू लगाओ।
Sweep the floor.
स्वयं झाड़ू लगा दीजिए।
So he used to sweep himself, and he used to.
आचार्य किसको कहा?
What is acharya?
आज चुनौती
Achinuti, with his own behavior,
और दूसरे
he is
की
actually teaching
सेवा में लगाते हैं।
people and engaging them in the service as well.
अपनी ना कोइले धर्म
You can only preach
और त्रिविक्रम गोस्वामी महाराज के
religious principles if you follow them yourself.
स्वयं आचरण किया।
So we see in the life of Trivikram Goswami Maharaj, he himself used to do Guru Seva,
और कहते देखो सेवा किसको लेते नहीं।
and he wouldn't accept the service of anyone. Because even if one coin
जन्म जन्म क्या बोले?
you get
आपको
from someone, even a coin,
सूद समेत
you have to give that money back with interest in the next life.
आपको रिटर्न देना पड़ेगा।
You have to give back even a coin.
आज
You understand?
देना ही पड़ेगा।
You have to give back the money.
ठीक है।
Yes.
इसलिए त्रिविक्रम महाराज की किसकी सेवा नहीं
Trivikram Maharaj wouldn't
है।
accept anyone's service, therefore.
ठाकुर जी के
He said, no, serve the deity. Wash the Thakurji pots.
जिससे हम कथा प्रसंग मिले, चुचुरा मिले।
So in the Chanchura temple, Uma Didi also used to say,
मैं त्रिविक्रम गोस्वामी महाराज की कृपा से
by the mercy of Shri Trivikram Goswami Maharaj,
मैं गौरी मठ में आ
is that I came to Gauriya Mata in Tukdiksha mantra.
तो इसलिए त्रिविक्रम महाराज की कथा जो वास्तव रूप में जो है
Trivikram Goswami Maharaj.
हमें हृदय स्पर्श करता है।
This his katha means his life history touches our heart. It's really moving. So if you're not servicing, even if you hear the high class Harikatha, are you going to become a mid servant of Srimati Radhika? Some people say, oh, I want to become a Radha Dasya. Are you going to become like that? No. First serve, accumulate Sukriti. As a fruit of Sukriti, get Satsanga. And then, after that, you can have taste for Harikatha. It's not that easy. It's not just like that. So engage everyone in the service. Sweep the temple. Wash the pots. Clean the toilet of the Vaishnavas. Srila Vikram Goswami Maharaj, you can see. He also used to serve, used to clean the toilets. Even though he was a high class Maharaj, he was doing with his own hands all the services. Why serve with your hands? Because then you have mamata, this possessiveness, this attachment. You serve with your own hands. What is Ananya Mamata? You must have this mamata towards Bhagavan. If you don't have mamata, how can you serve? And if you don't have service, you also don't have mamata, possessiveness. So, seva hi paramadharma. The topmost religious principle is to serve. From the lowest to the highest brahmachari, all would be chastised by Trivikram Goswami Maharaj. And everybody used to respect him also. Why? Because Trivikram Maharaj used to follow everything he used to say. So everyone accepted him, whatever he said, because he is always following all the rules himself. If you're not in that position of follow everything, then even if you tell others, no one will follow, no effect. Even if it's 1,000 times you say. So the transcendental life history of Trivikram Goswami Maharaj, right? And also at the same time today, the appearance of Gurudeva Srila Vamana Goswami Maharaj, and we heard by their transcendental life history, lives. So also heard about the transcendental. So one time he was, printing, working in the printing of the books in the past, and because of that, his finger got stuck in the printing, in the press machine. And then Gurudeva Bhakti Pragyana started crying like a baby. So he has Shisha Vatsalya, so much affection to the disciple. Seeing the desire to serve of your disciple, you conquer Gurudeva's heart. Then his mercy will come. So that's why we must glorify and hear the life history of these acharyas. Look, Param Guru Maharaj, Keshava Goswami Maharaj. He was from a rich family. And he was going the train everywhere, collecting 1 cents for the service of Prabhupada. And then one day collecting was really, really hot. And then he slept. If he fell asleep, just having some rest, under a tree, but under the scorching rays of the sun, in the middle of the day. Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada was going by car somewhere. The driver told, look at what Vidnod Bihari Brahmachari, he's resting there in the middle of the streets, in this corner. Seeing that, Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada's heart melted. Param Guru Maharaj was from a very rich family. He was a very handsome person. His body was very, very, healthy, very, good family, and everything. So handsome. But still he was sweating and doing everything in that very hard austerity for the service of Bhaktisiddhanta. And Bhaktisiddhanta, his heart melted and whoa. And in this way he gave the mercy to him. Through his service, Bhakti Pragyana, Keshava Goswami Maharaj was able to get the mercy of Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada. So we heard about the life history of the acharyas. So we should learn how they perform their service. Vanchakalpa.
So tomorrow, Mangalarti, and after that, Kirtan, 7 o'clock, 7:30 will sit till 8:30.